Have you ever dreamed of exploring the world's most mesmerizing destinations? Imagine stepping into a realm where every corner tells a story, where cultures intertwine, and landscapes defy imagination. I'm Layla Lilly, and I'm thrilled to be your guide on this virtual voyage as we uncover some of the most amazing places in the world. From ancient ruins to tropical paradises, bustling cities to serene landscapes, get ready to be inspired to pack your bags and embark on an unforgettable adventure. Our first stop takes us to the heart of ancient Rome, the Colosseum. Picture yourself wandering through its massive arches, feeling the weight of history as you stand in awe of its grandeur. Imagine the roar of the crowd, the clash of gladiators, and the drama that unfolded within these very walls centuries ago. The Colosseum is a testament to the power and ingenuity of the Roman Empire, and a must-see for any traveler seeking to connect with the past. As you explore its levels and corridors, let your imagination transport you back to a time of emperors, gladiators, and the spectacle that was ancient Rome. Don't forget to take a moment to appreciate the sheer scale and architectural brilliance of this iconic landmark. A true marvel that has stood the test of time. Next, we journey to the island of Madagascar, a land of unique wildlife and lush landscapes. Imagine trekking through dense jungles, home to lemurs swinging through the trees, chameleons blending seamlessly with their surroundings, and an array of other fascinating creatures found nowhere else on Earth. Madagascar is a biodiversity hotspot, a true paradise for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Picture yourself kayaking along tranquil rivers, surrounded by towering baobab trees, their massive trunks reaching for the sky. From rainforests to deserts, Madagascar offers a tapestry of diverse ecosystems, each more captivating than the last. So, pack your sense of adventure and get ready to experience the wonders of this extraordinary island. Prepare to be swept away to the tropical paradise of the Maldives, where turquoise waters lap against pristine white sand beaches. Imagine yourself diving into the crystal-clear waters surrounded by vibrant coral reefs teeming with marine life. Swim alongside graceful manta rays, encounter playful dolphins, and marvel at the kaleidoscope of colors that adorn the underwater world. The Maldives is a dream destination for snorkeling, diving, or simply relaxing on the beach, soaking up the sun. Picture yourself indulging in luxurious overwater bungalows, where you can wake up to the gentle sound of waves and enjoy breathtaking ocean views. Whether you seek adventure or relaxation, the Maldives offers an idyllic escape from the everyday. Chapter 4. Thailand's hidden gems, secluded beaches, and island hopping. Our journey continues to the enchanting land of Thailand, where ancient temples meet bustling cities and idyllic islands beckon with their pristine beauty. I'll never forget the time I stumbled upon a secluded beach in Thailand, where the sand was so fine it felt like walking on clouds. The turquoise waters sparkled under the warm sun, and the only sounds were the gentle lapping of waves and the rustling of palm trees swaying in the breeze. Thailand is a treasure trove of hidden gems, from secluded beaches to majestic waterfalls, bustling night markets to serene temples. Imagine yourself exploring ancient ruins, indulging in delicious street food, or simply relaxing on a hammock, sipping on a refreshing coconut. Thailand has something to offer every traveler, whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or a cultural immersion. Chapter 5. Marrakesh, a sensory journey through bustling souks and vibrant culture. Get ready to immerse yourself in the vibrant energy of Marrakesh, Morocco, where the sights, sounds, and smells create a sensory feast for the senses. Imagine wandering through the labyrinthine alleys of the souks, where colorful spices, intricate carpets, and handcrafted treasures beckon from every corner. Haggle for souvenirs, sip on traditional mint tea, and soak up the lively atmosphere of this bustling marketplace. As the sun begins to set, make your way to Jama' el Fna, the main square, and witness it transform into a magical open-air theater. Storytellers, musicians, dancers, and food vendors create a captivating spectacle that embodies the heart and soul of Marrakesh. Chapter 6. Kyoto, tranquility and tradition in ancient temples and bamboo forests. From the bustling souks of Marrakesh, we journey to the serene temples and bamboo forests of Kyoto, Japan. Imagine yourself strolling through the iconic Fushimi Inari Shrine, its thousands of vibrant red torii gates winding their way up the mountainside. Experience the tranquility of Ryoanji Temple's rock garden, a masterpiece of Zen minimalism that invites contemplation and reflection. Lose yourself in the beauty of Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, where towering bamboo stalks create a sense of awe and wonder. Kyoto is a city where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern life, offering a unique and unforgettable cultural experience. Chapter 7, Paris, a timeless romance in the City of Lights. Ah, Paris, the City of Lights is a no-brainer. From its art-filled museums like the Louvre to the quaint cobbled streets of Montmartre, Paris feels like stepping into a timeless romance. Imagine yourself strolling hand in hand along the Seine, the Eiffel Tower twinkling in the distance. Indulge in flaky croissants and rich coffee at a sidewalk cafe, watching the world go by. Lose yourself in the masterpieces of the Louvre, from the Mona Lisa's enigmatic smile to the Venus de Milo's timeless beauty. As the sun begins to set, take a leisurely boat ride along the Seine and witness the city illuminate in a magical glow. Paris is a city that captures the heart and inspires the soul, a destination that will stay with you long after you've said au revoir. Chapter 8, The Great Wall of China, a monument to human ingenuity and perseverance. Our next adventure takes us to one of the most iconic structures in the world, the Great Wall of China. It's not just a wall, it's an epic monument to human perseverance. Walk along its ancient stones and imagine the centuries of history beneath your feet. Imagine yourself standing atop its ancient ramparts, gazing out at the vast expanse of mountains and valleys, marveling at the sheer scale and ambition of this architectural marvel. The Great Wall is a testament to the ingenuity and determination of the Chinese people, a symbol of their strength and resilience throughout history. Whether you choose to hike a section of the wall or simply admire it from afar, the Great Wall of China is an experience that will leave a lasting impression. Chapter 9. Santorini, a Grecian dream of whitewashed villages and golden sunsets. Get ready to be swept away to the picturesque island of Santorini, Greece, where whitewashed villages cling to volcanic cliffs overlooking the Aegean Sea. This island isn't just picturesque, it's a vibe. With its whitewashed buildings and golden sunsets, Santorini feels like a dream you never want to wake up from. Imagine yourself wandering through the narrow streets of Oya, its iconic blue-domed churches contrasting beautifully with the whitewashed buildings. Indulge in delicious Greek cuisine at a cliffside restaurant, savoring the flavors of fresh seafood, tangy feta, and juicy olives, all while enjoying breathtaking views of the caldera. As the sun begins to set, find a spot to witness the sky erupt in a kaleidoscope of colors, casting a magical glow over the island. Santorini is a destination that will captivate your senses and leave you longing to return. Chapter 10. Hallstatt, Austria, a fairy tale village nestled in the Austrian Alps. Our final destination takes us to the fairy tale village of Hallstatt, Austria, nestled amidst towering mountains and a pristine alpine lake. This picture-perfect village looks like something out of a fairy tale. Whether you visit in summer or winter, Hallstatt's charm is undeniable. Imagine yourself strolling along the lakefront promenade, its colorful houses reflected in the crystal-clear waters. Take a boat ride across the lake, surrounded by breathtaking mountain scenery. Explore the charming shops and cafes, and savor the flavors of traditional Austrian pastries. Whether you visit in the summer, when wildflowers dot the hillsides, or in the winter, when the village transforms into a winter wonderland, Hallstatt offers a magical escape from the everyday. As we wrap up our journey through the best places to visit in the world, remember, the world is vast, and there's always more to explore. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and keep wandering with wonder. From the ancient ruins of Rome to the tropical paradises of the Maldives, from the bustling souks of Marrakesh to the serene temples of Kyoto, the world is full of incredible destinations waiting to be discovered. Ready to start your own adventure? Hit that subscribe button and join our community of explorers. Don't forget to like this video and share it with fellow travel enthusiasts. Together, let's inspire and be inspired.